In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a Word doc to Google Docs. So here we've got a Word document, which if I open, it's going to open with Word, and it's just an example document. So I'm going to convert this to a Word document. So right now it is a .docs, so let's change that. So first you need to open up a web browser. I've just opened up Google Chrome here. I've gone to Google. We're going to do a search here for Google Drive. After you've done that search, you want to go ahead and click on the second link, which is going to take you straight to Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive or you haven't got a Google account, just go ahead and create one and sign in. Then you can go to Drive. And if you've not used Google Drive before, you won't have any of these files. If you have, then you'll see some files, but don't worry, we just need to go to New in the top left-hand corner, then go File Upload. Then you need to find your Word document. So in my case, it is on the desktop. Once you've found your Word document, go ahead and open it, and it will then upload that document to Google Drive. What we can do from here is either access it in the bottom right-hand corner, or if you refresh, it should be on your most recent files. So here it is. What we can do now is double click on that, and it's going to open up in Google Docs. Here we can make changes and edit this file. That's pretty much all you've got to do. Now your file has been converted, and you can now change and edit things in Google Docs. I hope that quick video did help you out.